Now to the Federal Reserve, which began today, a two-day meeting. It's a policy meeting, a big one. The central bank will issue a statement on interest rates tomorrow, but few expect it to make a move, especially with the outlook for the economy so muted. Steve Liesman surveyed some of the nation's top economists and money managers to see what they think about the Fed, the economy, and the outlook for growth.
It will be Santa that brings the next Fed rate hike, not the great pumpkin. The latest CNBC Fed Survey finds that 100% of respondents say they expect no Fed rate hike when the Fed announces its policy statement in this Halloween week on Wednesday. But 86% of the respondents say they expect a rate hike in the Fed's December meeting, roughly a year after the last hike. Overall, the 39 respondents, including economists, fund managers, and strategists, expect only modest rate hikes in the years ahead, with the funds rate rising to just over 1% by the end of 2017. The economic outlook, though, remains muted, with growth forecast to be around 2% this year and next, and the stock market rising only a few percentage points, though some are more optimistic than that.
I think the stock market is going to respond favorably to the end of the election. They're going to get comfortable with the Fed normalizing rates, and I think they're going to react very well to the return of earnings momentum and sales momentum that we're starting to see right now.
The chance of recession, 23% in the next year, with the biggest threats to the U.S. economy coming from global economic weakness.
We have no ability on the monetary side to respond to it because rates are already near record lows. Arguably, low rates are hurting. And the fiscal side is paralyzed in part because we're going to likely have divided government next year. So you tell me, when you're growing 1% something, unless global growth is a lot better, you hit any pothole, you're in trouble. You're in a recession.
The survey also found Wall Street disagrees over the benefits of low interest rates. Roughly a third think they help the economy, a third say they hurt, and another third say they have little effect. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Liesman.